So, we got it out of the package. It's from Billet Workz. If you guys don't know what it is, well, we're going to unbox it here. Love the packaging. Packaging is super nice. There's all kinds of little stuff in here. What is this? Open the Billet Workz. First off, that thing's nasty. But adapters. And the big thing that comes with it, first off, this thing is super heavy. I didn't think this thing was going to be this heavy. Rapid red teardrop billet work heavyweight shift knob. This thing is heavy. It's way heavier than the stock one, I'm going to guess. I mean, I guess that's kind of the point. But this thing came out to about $120 with the engraving. I think it was about $100 without the engravings. I did want the engraving, so I just spent a little bit of extra money. There is a little bit of a sparkle in it. It's actually super close to the Mustang. It is a little bit darker, but it's not too crazy to where you're going to see a big difference. Literal biggest rubber band I could find. But I'm going to get this on here, and then I also brought out, it's like little suction thing. So I should get some extra grip on there. So see how this goes. I cracked it loose, and it really wasn't on there all that tight. But it was on there. But this little pad thing helped. I got the rubber band on there, and then I just pulled it with both hands. But go ahead, get the adapter on, and it should be good. Okay, so I got these adapters. My guess is, obviously, that's going to go on, and then this little adapter is going to come up kind of like that. So on, and then on. And then I think I'm pretty sure I adjust this nut for it to line up straight. So I brought these back out just in case I need them. Get these out of here, and then I'll get back to y'all when I start screwing this on. Alright, so I got her on there. Again, she's not perfect in color, but she's pretty darn close. I got lined up pretty close to what it's supposed to be. I think my favorite part about it is that it is super pearly with all the flake and stuff in it. So I'm going to go ahead and get y'all some. It feels way different. It really does. Like it wants to go in. And then collar still comes up. It's tight against it, which is nice. I like that. Love the engraving. I mean, obviously I don't daily drive my car, but I feel like it's definitely going to get hot in the summer, but I'm not too crazy worried about it. But I mean, I can definitely feel the difference of it wanting to go into gear. And I think my most hated shift is from 5th to 6th, and I mean, it just wants to fly right in. I mean, it just wants to go. Any MT82 guys in here, you already know, first, high RPM second, and the third is just like, sometimes a struggle. It just gets stuck, and then who knows. So hopefully this might fix it a little bit. It honestly feels great. I'm going to go ahead and get some footage, so I'll be back in a minute. Alright, y'all, so the big difference that I see as of right now, I mean, it's a great freaking shift knob. I have no complaints. It just goes in easy. And, I mean, it makes my shifts way smoother. And, I mean, if you guys were hesitating in picking one up, I mean, I was for the longest time. And, it really is like a good thing to buy. I mean, it made such a big difference. I don't know, everything is just so much smoother. It looks good. I don't know, just go pick y'all one up. You can find them on American Muscle. They have all different kinds. I can say what I do really like about this shift knob is I got really big hands. So, I mean, it fits in my hand perfectly. And the ball, the OEM ball, just wasn't really doing it. I mean, it wasn't bad. It was just kind of annoying. But, so, I picked it up. I'm going to do a little bit more review once I get over here to the gas station. So, I'll get to it. Hope you guys have a good day. And, I'll see you on the next install or whatever you do next. So you have a good day. See you later.